Sophie, welcome in a new lecture of the lectures of Coptic language. We are going to talk today about the adjective. The adjective in Coptic language is a word with the meaning of an adjective, like saying old, or another adjective which you use. Or we can add a noun like gold, making it golden, or a name of a country, and an adjective related to this name of the country. Or we can use the past participle of the verb preceded with a pronoun or a related pronoun. We are going to see now how we can form different ways of adjective. First, we begin when we want to make a noun adjective. For example, we have the word Kimi, Egypt. I want to make from the word Kimi, which means Egypt, an adjective with Egyptian. Simply, we say in, add in before it, or m if the word begins with B or P or C or M or F. So we have Kimi comes in Ki, which means related to Egyptian. Another word begins with B, Vari, and M for it comes Vari, Mvari. And then complete the rest of construction. We have the rule about that the adjective follows the noun. The adjective comes first, comes in second place. For making an adjective from noun, the article in is used in front of all words, in front of words beginning with M, I, or C. So we want from the word which is scheme, take an adjective, say Egypt. The construction is simple. We add the noun and then we add in the other noun. For example, we said Kimi. To make it an adjective, we say in Kimi. Say a person from to an Egyptian person, there in Kimi. But it has a construction. It must be preceded with indefinite article or definite article, a or the, Coptic o or b or t, plus the noun, plus in, plus Kimi. So the construction have the indefinite article, the middle as the name, and have in, and the other name. The indefinite or definite, noun, in, and the name. So this way we construct the adjectival structure. It comes or in Kim, Egyptian, or a Coptic person from Egypt, an Egyptian person. Want to make to say Egyptian language. Say make an Egyptian. We say in plus the word Egypt. So we say the word language is ASPI, and we add in and Kim. So the construction must be the definite or indefinite article plus the noun plus in plus another noun. So we say ASPI in Kim, the Egyptian language or the Coptic language. If we want to use the word gold, for example, so we want to make it adjective, make add in front of it, comes in the gold. So don't for the rest of the words you like to make it an adjective, add for m for it, and structure that should add definite article or definite article, followed by a noun, followed by in, no, followed by the other noun. Here we have the adjective as original adjective. Have the word very means so it's original adjective. We can put it after the word we describe or before the word we describe. So I have here the word computer, and here same word to describe it. So the structure we have that we say definite article in or m and followed by the noun or the adjective or the noun. So we say oh computer in very, a computer new, or a new computer, or very in computer. We use the m when the word begins with b, and the n when the word used begins with any other letter like k. Camp. So the structure, finite or definite article. For example, we can use t, we can use b, we can use any the indefinite or an. We can use t, we can use b, we can use an, or any indefinite article we use like it, or it, or it, or u. Afterwards, add noun. Afterwards, we add in. Afterwards, add other noun or adjective. This is the structure we use to make the adjectival form complex. And we can replace the adjective whether before the noun or after the noun. Another example, when we have the adjective, it has masculine and feminine and plural. For example, the word savvy in feminine becomes savvy, in plural becomes saviv. Nanif, masculine, nanis, feminine, naniv, plural. Which means good. Oro means savvy. In the structure we have the indefinite article, the noun, the adjective. Shirin savvy. O, the indefinite article, the noun, in plus the adjective. Oro means savvy, means the wise man. Shirin savvy means the wise son. We can use the adjective as a noun to say the wise person or the wise. In this case, we add definite article in front of it, or a definite article in front of it. Say Insof o savvy be, we added indefinite article followed by verb to be. And so is him sai. So it means you, o, indefinite article, the word, in as adjective. O is him insai, beautiful woman or a pretty woman. Here we use with nanif, we use a. A came from hieroglyphic and it means big. So odoron being nanif, odoron a nanif, use u, which means a or an. Odoron means a gift, nanif means good, and we used a with it. So here the construction is a good gift. We say we have here in uhit in nanif with a good heart. So we have u and a, the nanif, and the noun following it. Oxygen in nanif. Oxygen is perfume. We have here U, A or an. Oxygen is a noun. A and nanif. We want to say good understanding. U, the A or an. Kati, to understand. A is being nanif. We have an observation when is preceded by indefinite article is A. If it is preceded with indefinite article, we use if or it. If the word begins with N, we use if. It begins with another letter, we use it. So we say بإشين snanif تاخد 3. B the shin 3 S which is nanif. B finite article means the kahi noun S which nanif. Here we want to use save, which is an adjective. Use it as noun to say the wise person. B we added before it and the adjective. It says here يساوي الشخص التام تساوي the wise listens to the counsel or to the advice. So we can say the construction as we have said, if it is having definite article, the following word gets it or if. It is infinite, if is if. So when we have the adjective coming from a verb and it has before the noun preceding it definite article, the adjective is preceded by it or it. If the word before it indefinite article or an, we use if for masculine, S for feminine, F for plural. I can explain it with example. For example, if naughty, it choosy. If the definite article means the T God noun it because he the word is defined. If have the past participle of the verb. We have another example. The definite article means the she noun and we use it as past participle of the verb. Imon, it means no, and comes it's as if definite article. Li, sing or someone. If he, keep from the verb hope means to hide. If it so because the sing is masculine, we use the if plus the past participle. Anshiri, Anshiri, if choosy. Han, definite article. She is a noun. Ne, verb to be for plural. If, because we have here the indefinite article, so we didn't use it. We used if. And choose is the past participle of the verb, which is used as an adjective. We have some words we add in front of the nouns to indicate a different meaning. We have la indicates multiplicity of, as negation with words beginning with any of the letters of the word بالمنور. At negation, sa the person who makes so. Shoot means worthy, shtim not worthy, ish able to. And compound them words. La sagit stocative. Asnav hidden, act cat stupid. Sam Besnane, Woodley or righteous. In short, Ishfiri, admirable. In Ishtim, Ishfiri, unadmirable, ishtahu, comprehensible. We have the word nevin, which comes always after the noun, always placed from earlier form of the Coptic language with the meaning of neb, and currently it is nevin, and it always follows the noun. You can find today's lecture on CC YouTube channel. You can find it on archive.org/details/Coptic language. Thanks.